What's up, guys? Sarah here, and welcome to Gaia 5D. On this channel, we talk about alternative health and how to grow your own organic food and medicine. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Okay, so today I want to talk about adding lemon essential oil to your drinking water. Many of you may be familiar with diffusing essential oils in your home, but you can also use them topically and in some cases ingest them, providing they are of very good quality. So I do use the doTERRA essential oils because I know that they're third-party tested for any contaminants and they would be safe to ingest, of course, depending on the type of oil. So the lemon essential oil, the reason you might want to use an essential oil as opposed to just the lemon juice is that it's a very concentrated version of basically lemon juice, and they also use the whole lemon, so the peel and everything. So you're getting this synergistic effect rather than just, the juice of the lemon. And if you aren't familiar with adding lemon juice to your water and the benefits of doing that, there are many. It helps to balance pH, it promotes digestion and increases metabolism. It also helps detoxify the body and cleanse the liver. It also provides vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. So it's very healthy to add the lemon juice to your water, but the lemon essential oil would be just a next step up because, again, it's very concentrated and you're getting that synergistic effect of using the whole plant rather than just a part of it. So yeah, basically what you would do is add a drop or two of the essential oil to your drinking water. Now, you don't want to use plastic because plastic just in general isn't great for you, but also the essential oil will break down the plastic. So you want to either use glass or stainless steel. So I use my stainless steel water bottles. I did a video last week on why I switched over to stainless steel, and but glass, of course, would also be all right. So yeah, you can buy both of these items on Amazon, or you could find a doTERRA representative to get essential oils from them. And of course, the water bottles you could maybe buy at a grocery store or on Amazon. And then just make sure you're drinking the filtered water as well, because you don't want any of the contaminants from the tap water to be ingested by you or your family. So anyways, that's my little tutorial on adding the lemon essential oil to your drinking water and the health benefits of doing so. Thanks again for joining me today. And yeah, I hope you guys have a really great day, and I will see you next week.